target of adding 4 two-digit numbers. So I added some words to our learning target, but let's go over it. So we can use place value to add up to 4 two-digit numbers. So I'm going to show you 2 different addition strategies that you can use to solve this. We're going to be solving 51 plus 36 plus 24 plus 62. The first strategy that we're going to use is my favorite, which is base 10. So I'm going to read the steps as I act them aloud on my table. Step 1, draw each number using base 10. Remember, the big 100 square is 100, the skinny rod is a 10, and the little tiny cube is worth 1. Our first number is 51, so I need 5 tens, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1. My second number is 36, so 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. My next number is 24, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and my last number is 62. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. So that is step 1. We have drawn all of our numbers using base 10. Step 2, count your ones. If there are more than 10, regroup them and write the remaining amount left at the bottom. So I need to make sure that I count 10 tens so I can determine if I need to regroup. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and move them off my chart and add my 10 over so I don't forget, and I'm going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get my marker, and I'm going to write a 3 in the ones place. There are 3 ones left. All right. Step 3, count your 10s. So we're going to do the same thing we just did for the ones, but this time we're in the tens column. If you have more than 10 tens, you are going to regroup them to make a 100. Remember, this is the hundreds block. So let's count our tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put those back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go ahead and move those so we don't forget to regroup. Here's my hundreds block. And now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 tens left. Let me write a big 7 under my tens column. And now that I have 100, I'm just going to write 1 for my 100th block that I have. So my total sum, which is step 4, is write your sum into the equation. So I would write 173 right here, but I'm going to wait to do that because I want to see if I get the same answer using my other strategy. So let me move my base 10 stuff over. Let's go over our learning target again. So we can use place value to add up to 4 two-digit numbers. Algorithm. So a lot of you have been asking me to use algorithm, but I hadn't really had a chance to make a video and explain. So here we are now. So I also wrote my steps on the side. So step 1 is to count the ones. If there is more than 10, carry the 10 into the tens place. So let's count. I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. Let's count up 1, which makes 11, and then add 2 more, that makes 13. Except we can't write a 13 in the ones place. So I'm going to break 13 down right here to help us figure out what to do next. When you break 13 down, I notice that there is a 3 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 3 right here. So this 3 is the same as that one. And this 10 right here, I'm going to put in this box at the top because we carried our 10 over. So now for step 2, we need to count our 10. So this is our tens place. We're going to count these up. And if we have more than 10, we would regroup. But today we're just going to write our total right here because we're not adding 3-digit numbers. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Let's add 3. So 7, 8, 9. Let's keep counting up. 10, 11, and then let's add 6 more. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I am going to write a 17 right here. So I got 173 using standard algorithm, and I got 173 using base 10.